Hey ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen's my name. I'm the self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School. I'm self-appointed because really there's no one else that can appoint a Scoop School headmaster. So I still think it holds some validation, but it is kind of self-aggrandizing, if you will. I do want to thank our episode sponsor for this video, which is actually Purdy Products and the Sterashine crew here. We're going to talk a little bit about Lube today. Lube. Their link is down below. They've got a great range of cleaning and sanitizing products and lube. We do thank them for their episode sponsorship. Paul, the whole crew there. Family-owned business, great people. Okay, so this is a very simple, quick video. But I've gone into ice cream shops, I swear to you, and they've got front plates on soft serve machines and custom machines and other gaskets, which literally is oozing lube. And I don't know whether they're kind of over-lubing just for the sake of over-lubing, or whether it's the manufacturer's instructions that they're not really understanding. Look, here's my rule of thumb for lube. Whenever you're applying lube, unless it is against manufacturer's instructions, and what I mean by that is, if you're reading the online operating manual for your soft serve machine, your custom machine, your batch freezer, and it says to fill this pocket with lube or to put a generous amount of lube, that's one thing. But on a lot of smaller gaskets and things that aren't rotating, I'll give you an example in a minute, all I tell people to do, you only want to put as much lube as the eraser on the end of a pencil. About that much. So take that off, and if you've got, let's say, a couple of O-rings here, this is the front plate from a Stolting soft serve machine. We just filmed a Scoop School community session, a live stream session on soft serve machines and the whole soft serve process. Now, I've still got some residue on my fingers here. Again, this gasket isn't spinning. I just want a good seal, and I want the lube to kind of hold it into place. Then whatever I've got left on my fingers, I can put that in there as well, and it'll hold it into place and create a good seal. Same thing for this little component here. Now I've got a little bit less lube on my hand now because I've used it once before. So again, next application, let's get a little bit more lube out. The eraser on the end of a pencil, take that off, and then use that to lubricate those gaskets or those O-rings, and then that goes into your soft serve machine. Don't over lube your machine. You can break down the seals of your product by doing that. You can also have so much lube going out. I've seen lube end up in soft serve because people have been lubing rosette caps. So again, go back to your manufacturer's instructions, where to put lube, how much to put lube in, and if in doubt, and you've only just got a little bit of kind of some gaskets, some seals, some bushings to lube, the eraser on the end of a pencil is generally the right application. You can tell the manufacturer that I recommended it, and if they say that guy doesn't know what he's talking about, so be it. That's all we have time for this episode. Eraser on the end of the pencil, that's what you've learned today. Thank you again to our episode sponsor, which was Sterashine. Again, we use their lube, great products, link down below. Keep on scooping, folks. We'll see you in the next video.